In this video, you are going to see how to add Gaussian blur to your videos, followed by how to apply it to custom shapes. So let's get started. First, go to the effects panel and type Gaussian blur. Now simply drag and drop it onto the layer. After that, go to the effects control panel. Then scroll down until you see the Gaussian blur option. If you want to apply the blur effect to the complete layer, you can simply increase the blurriness value. But for this tutorial, I'm going to apply it only to the text and image. Simply press the pen icon and draw a custom path like this. Make sure the path is closed, otherwise the blur effect will not be applied. One more thing, even after creating the custom path, you can tweak it later if needed. The same technique applies to blurring people and other objects as well. If in case the object is moving, you can use the keyframes option for precise tracking. Once the masking is done, you can simply increase or decrease the blurriness as per your liking. Even if you want, you can save this as a preset by right-clicking on the effect and then choosing Save Preset. That's it. This is how you can apply Gaussian blur to your videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. Like and subscribe for more helpful videos.